I used to believe you needed a huge YouTube channel or a fancy website to make money online. But everything changed when I discovered that there are platforms where people are literally searching for your skills, whether it's Excel, writing, design, or just organizing data. I remember starting out with Fiverr. I listed a simple gig: I'll create a custom Excel dashboard. I didn't really know what I was doing, but within days I got my first order. $15, then $30, then $50. Fiverr was like a silent salesman working for me 24/7. The more gigs I completed, the higher my ratings and reviews were. And then something interesting happened. People started leaving comments asking me for more gigs. That's when I knew it was time to level up. So I tried Upwork, a platform with a bit more competition but also a lot more professional clients. I applied for a data entry plus reporting job and landed a $100 gig that took just 2 hours. The client on Upwork wasn't looking for someone to just push buttons in Excel. They wanted a problem solver. And that's the mindset I had going into every project. I customized proposals, added past samples, and highlighted how I could help their business. And boom, I had repeat clients. But there was a bigger twist waiting for me. While working on these projects, I realized I was making the same spreadsheets over and over again. So I had this idea. What if I could turn these templates into digital products and sell them on Gumroad? That way I wouldn't have to work one-on-one with clients. No meetings, no client calls, just passive income. So I uploaded one of my best spreadsheets and set the price at $5. And then something magical happened. In the first week, I sold it 30 times. $5 here, $5 there, it adds up, right? Now, if I had to start from scratch today, this is exactly what I would do. I'd become really good at one skill, prove my ability on Fiverr, find clients on Upwork, and then scale with Gumroad. These 3 platforms turned my laptop into a money machine. And if you're sitting on a skill right now, trust me, someone out there is willing to pay for it.